Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we learn how to install the latest version of PHP 8.4.1 on Windows 11 machine. So let's start. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and like the video. Open your favorite browser. I'm on Chrome. So type here PHP. So this is the official website of the PHP, and you can see uh, the current version 8.4.1. Click on downloads. So you can see here current stable version is PHP 8.4.1. Okay, so we are around Windows and I've clicked here Windows downloads. So we have here we have here two options: non-thread save version and thread save version. I'll go with thread save version and click on zip and it will start downloading. So open the directory where you have downloaded uh, PHP, and we just need to extract here. I'll just click directory here and I'll go inside that and I'll extract in that. Extract here. I'll just copy the name of the PHP version. Just delete this. I can rename this. So I'll just cut this and I'll go to my PC. See where I'll just paste it here. So after that, what we need to do, we need to go to copy this and go to the environment variables or path variables. Type in path and click on edit system variables. Click on environment variables here, and from here system variables, click on path, and you can see here I am already using the WAMP 8.0.0, but I'll update that and you can add new here. Like click on here, or you can click here and you can add that. Click on that and click OK. OK. So then open your command prompt or bash, any of the tool you want to use. So I have bash and I'll open that. And if you want to install bash, you can check the video on my YouTube channel, php-v. So you can see we have the current version PHP 8.4.1. So let's create a demo project. Demo file index.php. Let's open with VS Code. So if you want to know how to install the VS Code on Windows 11 or 10 machine, you can watch the video on my YouTube channel. So that's echo hello. Let's try to run that now. Open here. I'll open Bash. You can open command prompt and type here the command php dash hyphen capital S localhost 8000. Open the browser and type here localhost. So you can see this is the our first program. So you can also check my other videos of my previous work or my different videos related to different issues in PHP. You can also install WAMP server to get all the settings of PHP, Apache, and PHP admin. You can find the video of that on my channel. Thank you. Good luck, guys.